Hey there everybody, Tommy Yanulis here, co-founder of OpsAnalitica. I want to talk to you guys today about manufacturing checklists and how the OpsAnalitica platform can revolutionize your operation manufacturing processes and your data collection. So a lot of people know OpsAnalitica because we have such a dominating position in the restaurant industry. We're in over 25 countries, thousands of restaurants every day utilize the OpsAnalitica platform to help manage daily operations from at the store and the above store level. But a lot of people don't know that OpsAnalitica actually is being used in multiple industries for manufacturing process and manufacturing data collection, right? So if you own a manufacturing operation, and it doesn't matter if it's food or paint or widgets or whatever you're building, and you're going around using paper processes to manage your factory, your lines, your data collection, I would invite you to check out OpsAnalitica because we can take all of those paper processes that you're using, all of those checks, all of that data collection, and we can get it right into a phone or a tablet where you'll then instantly have the data that you could use to analyze. You can instantly hold people accountable to following your processes and procedures correctly, which will increase productivity and limit downtime. And we can also provide you with alerts and task management and all the things you need to know if something's going wrong, right? Because when we're in manufacturing, the key is consistent repeatability, right? We want to be consistently doing the things correctly to make sure that we have the maximum amount of uptime, we have the maximum amount of consistency in the final product, and that we have the maximum amount of product being produced. And OpsAnalitica can be used very easily and very quickly can be implemented to help you achieve those things. And by the way, it's all self-documented. So as soon as you do something in the platform, it's already filed away in your digital filing cabinet. You don't have to deal with any paper. You can see what's happening. You can be alerted. It truly is a wonderful platform to help make your manufacturing operation more seamless and run at optimal levels. So check us out, OpsAnalitica.com. Thank you.